Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another episode of our English Learning Podcast. I am Alice, and I am here with James. How are you doing today, James?
Hi, Alice. Hi, everyone. I am doing excellent, thank you. I am having a great week because I started a new hobby, and I am very excited to talk about it today.
That is wonderful. Today, our topic is exactly that, hobbies and free time. We all work or study hard, but it is very important to have fun and relax.
Exactly. When you meet new people in English, they will always ask you about the things you like to do for fun. We will practice how to talk about your favorite activities, how to use words like play, do, and go, and we will learn some great phrasal verbs.
We will also learn how to use the ing form after certain verbs. So, put on your headphones, get comfortable, and let's get started. Okay, everyone. Now, James and I are going to act out a scene. In this story, James and I are friends. We are standing in a community center. We are looking at a big bulletin board on the wall. We want to find a new hobby to do together. Let's listen. Wow, James, look at this board. There are so many activities here.
I know. There's a chess club, a photography class, and even a hiking group. Tell me, Alice, what do you usually do in your free time?
Well, I enjoy reading books. I usually read every night before bed. And on the weekends, I love gardening. I have many flowers in my backyard. What about you?
I like playing the guitar. I practice every day, and I am really into sports. I play tennis twice a week.
That is great. You are very active. But I want to take up a new hobby. I want to learn something different.
Me too. Let's look at the posters. How about the cooking class? It is on Tuesday evenings.
Cooking? I don't know. I'm a terrible cook. I burn everything.
Oh, come on. It'll be fun.
Let's pause here. Let's talk about the vocabulary and grammar we just used. First, James asked me a very important question. He said, "What do you usually do in your free time?"
Yes, free time. This is the time when you are not working and not studying. It's your personal time. You can also ask, what are your hobbies? Both questions are very common.
I answered using the verb enjoy. I said, I enjoy reading books. And I also said, I love gardening. Notice the grammar here.
This is a very important rule for A2 learners. After verbs that express preference, like enjoy, love, like, and hate, we usually use the gerund form of the next verb. The gerund is the verb with ing.
Exactly. I did not say, I enjoy read. I said, I enjoy reading. James said, I like playing the guitar. You take the verb play and you add ing, playing.
Let's practice the pronunciation of that ing ending.
Listen and repeat at home. I like playing. I enjoy reading.
Perfect. Now, let's look at another expression I used. I said, I am really into sports, to be into something.
If you say, I'm into sports, it means I really like sports or I'm very interested in sports. If you love music, you can say, I'm into music. It sounds very native.
Alice then said she wants to take up a new hobby. Take up is a phrasal verb. It means to start doing a new activity or a new hobby. If you buy a camera and start taking photos, you take up photography.
And then James suggested the cooking class. I said, I'm a terrible cook. Let's talk about this word, James. This is a huge mistake for many students.
Oh, yes, it is. The verb is to cook. It means to prepare food, but the person who prepares the food is also called a cook.
In many other jobs, we add ER for the person. Teach, teacher. Sing, singer. Work, worker. But do not say, I'm a cooker.
A cooker is the machine. You are a human, not a machine. So you must say, I am a good cook or I am a terrible cook.
That is a great tip. Okay, let's go back to the role play. We are looking at the bulletin board and we need to choose a class. Okay, James, I will not do the cooking class. What about this one? go swimming at the local pool.
I like swimming, but the pool is very far from my house. I prefer doing yoga.
Doing yoga? I'm not very flexible. I can't touch my toes.
That's okay. Yoga helps you become flexible. But if you don't want to do yoga, what about the painting class?
Oh, painting. I love art. I sometimes paint at home, but I'm not very good.
The poster says it's for beginners. It says learn to paint landscapes and portraits.
That sounds wonderful. How often does the class meet?
It meets once a week, every Saturday afternoon.
Saturday afternoon is perfect for me. Let's sign up for the painting class.
Great idea. Let's go to the office and write our names on the list.
Let's pause again. In this part, we used 3 very important verbs to talk about sports and activities: play, do, and go.
In English, we don't use the same verb for all sports. Let's start with play. In the first part of the role play, I said I play tennis.
We use play for sports that use a ball, or team sports, or competitive games. You play soccer, you play basketball, you play chess, and you play tennis.
Next, we have the verb go. In the role play, Alice read the poster, go swimming. We use go for activities that end in ing. You go swimming, you go running, you go hiking, you go fishing.
The structure is go plus the gerund. I go swimming every Sunday.
And finally, we have the verb do. I said I prefer doing yoga. We use do for recreational activities, martial arts, or individual exercises that do not use a ball. You do yoga, you do karate, you do gymnastics.
Let's review that. Play plus ball sports, go plus ing activities, do plus individual activities. This is very important to remember.
Alice then asked a great question about the schedule. She asked, how often does the class meet? How often is the question word we use to ask about frequency.
To answer, James used an adverb of frequency. He said, it meets once a week.
Let's look at those frequency words. 1 time is once, 2 times is twice, but for 3, 4, or 5, we just say the number plus times. 3 times a week, 4 times a month.
And James also said every Saturday. Every means all of them, 100% of the Saturdays.
Finally, Alice said, let's sign up for the painting class. Sign up is our second phrasal verb today. It means to register or to put your name on a list to join an activity.
When you want to go to a gym, you sign up. When you want to take an English course, you sign up. Okay, let's go back to the role play. Hello, we are here to sign up for the beginner painting class on Saturdays.
Yes, my name is James, and this is my friend Alice.
Are there still places available in the class?
Let me check. Yes, we have 2 places left. You are very lucky.
Oh, fantastic! Do we need to bring our own paint and brushes?
No, the community center provides all the materials. You just need to wear old clothes because it can be messy.
That sounds good. We will wear old t-shirts.
Excellent. Please sign this paper here. Welcome to the class.
Thank you so much. I can't wait to start. And scene. Let's look at the final expressions we used. Alice asked the receptionist, are there still places available? Available is a great adjective.
If a seat is available, nobody is sitting there. If a class is available, you can join it.
Then Alice asked about the materials, paint and brushes. Paint is the colorful liquid you put on the paper, and a brush is the tool with hair that you use to put the paint on the paper.
And the receptionist gave us a warning. He said, wear old clothes because it can be messy. We learned the word messy in our cleaning episode. It means dirty or untidy. Paint can get everywhere.
And finally, when Alice was happy about the news, she said, that sounds good. When someone gives you a good idea or good information, you say, that sounds good. And my very last phrase was, I can't wait to start. I can't wait is an idiom. It does not mean I don't have time. It means I am very, very excited for the future. Yes, if you were going on vacation tomorrow, you say, I can't wait. Well, I can't wait to see your comments about this episode, James. I think our listeners learned a lot of vocabulary today. It's time for our listen and repeat section. I want you to practice speaking out loud wherever you are. Are you ready?
Here we go. Repeat after me. I enjoy reading books in my free time. I play tennis twice a week. Let's go swimming this weekend. I want to sign up for the yoga class.
Your pronunciation is excellent. Now, here is your challenge for today. We want to hear from you. Go down to the comments section and answer this question. What is your favorite hobby and how often do you do it? For example, you can write, my favorite hobby is playing the guitar and I practice every day. Or, I enjoy taking photos and I do. Well, that is all the time we have for today's episode. If you learned some new words today and feel more confident talking about your hobbies, please hit that like button. It really helps our channel grow.
And please don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you never miss a new lesson.
Thank you so much for listening and practicing with us today.
Have a great week. See you next time, everyone. Keep practicing and enjoy your free time. Bye.
Bye, everyone.